Okay, guys, design decisions are being made. We've moved out of the house. Here I am. It's COVID, so I can't always have a videographer here with me. So we're rolling with the punches, recording on my iPhone. Yeah, I'm gonna make some decisions, I hope, today in the studio, in the design studio. I'm gonna check out some lighting options at Universal and hopefully finalize one sink or two. So stay with me. Let's see how this goes. I'm Rebecca Hay, founder and creative director at Rebecca Hay Design. I've been doing this interior design business for more than a decade, and yet I've never designed my own home. So I'm about to embark on my own home renovation. My goal, to make it sustainable and healthy. Is it possible? I really don't know, but we're about to find out. Okay, thanks for coming in, ladies. Yep. Today I want us to figure out the design of my second floor. Okay. I need your help because I've started. I'm not following the process, as you know. So today I want to cover the bathroom, the master bedroom, and then the kids' room. Okay. So my inspiration for the bathroom, I love this vanity. Mm-hmm. Like I want to, yeah, like with the sort of beading. Yeah, I love that. I really want to do wood for the vanity and like have very light marble vibe. I wanted to feel, because the house is 100 years or like 105 years old. So I wanted to feel old, and I'm going with polished nickel. That's the other thing I want to print, but the polished nickel faucets. And then this is our project, the Rebecca design, Oak Park. But this is kind of like, I love the square tile, and like, because I think that's something that you would find in an old home.
Yeah, I like that gold, like a vintage kind of gold mirror would be actually.
I'm just gonna go cheap and cheerful and have the glass guy just do a big, just like before, and we'll just frame it. Mm-hmm. Just because it makes the bathroom feel so much bigger.
Yeah, it did feel really large in there.
Yeah. And there's the window with lots of light. And then maybe do we do like a cute window treatment then? Maybe we bring pattern into that, and we do like, we could do something like really simple and pretty like that, and like do a Roman.
Oh, okay. That's a hard one for you.
I know how you feel. I know you want two things. It's a hard one for me.
Has Chris said what he prefers?
He said he doesn't care, right? Okay. Chris, do you care? No. He doesn't care. Okay, awesome. Let's go. The inside of this is not my car, my husband's car. My car's never that messy. I still need hardware, so I was thinking Mayo, maybe seeing what they have. They have some really pretty knobs and things like that. So I need you guys to help me with hardware. So I'm gonna go to Universal today and look and see what I can find. I'm thinking something warm, like, I don't know, like something kind of vintage. That feels vintage, but isn't, you know? I think Hudson Valley has some nice ones. Yeah. I'm thinking the brass ones, but they probably come in something that reads like a sconce, not bathroom.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Like not tubular, yeah. So this is what we have. Okay, nice. Single sink. But like, this seems like a waste just to have two doors under the sink. That's what I had before. Hey babe, what do you think about for our vanity doing like inside, like we're gonna have two doors and then do a pull out on the inside? Or do you want all drawers? You say whatever now, and then it'll be made.
I just want a drawer. I just want one little drawer for my stuff. That's it.
You're gonna have 3 drawers and a medicine cabinet.
Amazing.
You can shove all your junk in there. And then I'll have 3 drawers.
Space, so the rest is all yours.
And the kids don't need anything. But then pull out for, because like right now we have our garbage within it. Do we want to do that again?
Sure. That's great.
Okay, well we can wait. We don't have to make that decision yet.
Yeah.
Though we would typically make that decision for our clients, if you're watching.
Okay, so something's wrong. And I can't like see the mistake here.
Okay, wait, so what's the height of
It's 2 feet. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
2 feet times
2 feet times
12.
is 12. Why am
12.
I getting, it's 10 basically.
Yeah. Like we just have to think of this common sensely.
Oh my god.
I think it's like 84 square feet.
What is happening?
What is happening to us today? Oh my god. Can we start again?
Cut this up.
It's just the wall. It's the back.
Okay, I'm here at Universal. I'm really excited to see all the pretty lighting. It's like, to me, lighting is the jewelry in the design, because it's like those finishing touches. Lighting and hardware just really take it to the next level. So now I get to be overwhelmed. Here we go. So many choices. I'm looking for something very specific, so I hope I can find it. This is what I want to do in my bedroom. We have something similar at the moment, but the shade is damaged, so I'd love to get something kind of similar but different. This is neat. Just that works for reading. This is nice. This, or it's really pretty. This shade, I'll tell you, in the design world, this style, this like tapered shade is making a comeback. For the longest time, it was all about this sort of cylinder, and now you're starting to see more and more lights with this more traditional shade, and that is like very trendy. This is kind of what I was initially thinking, was more like this, but now that I see it, it's less exciting than I expected. I just like this detail. It feels very Art Deco. So much of walking through a lighting store is like seeing something and then like pausing and like picturing the space in your head and visualizing. So sometimes when I walk through here, it looks like I'm just like thinking off into space. I'm actually just picturing it in the bathroom and trying to get a sense of, is that the right vibe? That's what I'm doing, in case you're wondering. It's a lot of modern stuff. I'm not modern. I'm a modern woman, but I'm not a modern designer. Took pictures. I like this line. This is a really fun line. Look how cute. Look how cute this is. It's so cute. I kind of just want to put one in the kids' room just because it's so cute. Like, I don't know, maybe I do like the gray. Like hang it next to the bunk bed. Is that weird? It'd be so cute. I found some good options, I think. Now I need to like take it back to the team and look at, you know, the different lights in the space and see which ones will work. The only thing I need still are ceiling lights, but that's it. We're here. Rebecca and I are fine-tuning all of the designs for my house because we're running out of time and we need to make some major decisions. We've just decided all the lighting. What else did we just decide?
Some fabrics, not all of them yet.
Yeah, and we're trying to decide if we should do wallpaper with matching Roman shade for the bathroom. Crazy. So I'm headed to the office now. We have some design decisions that have to be made because what's happening right now in the industry is because of the pandemic, we're finding a lot of product issues, meaning that product is either back ordered, just not in stock until the new year, or like some products aren't even in stock until May of 2021. So unfortunately, the vanity sconce lights that I wanted for my bathroom, I can't get them. It's really bumpy here. See, the streets of Toronto. I've had my team draw up some elevations so we can get a good sense of scale. Chris is at the office, so we'll get his input.
Is a lake over there?
No. Lake? No.
I don't know. It looks like water.
Oh, it could be flooding. Okay, here we are. Let's go see who's in the office. No, I know. My brain has not been as on top of it as it is for clients because my clients are my primary focus. And so this has kind of been second fiddle. And I've been way too laid back about it. As a result, I've missed things. We've talked about that. And so now I've put Rebecca Weatherall in charge. She's already been messaging me this morning saying, here's all the things we still need to decide. I looked into this quantity. This is back ordered because here's what's happening. Stock and product are not all available, okay? So the lights that I originally chose for the vanity, that's our bathroom, right? That's the Millworks design of the cabinet.
That will be our bathroom, yeah.
Yeah, so the lights that I originally wanted that were remember they were kind of like East Coast, whatever. Doesn't matter, they're not available.
The ones that look like lightsabers, those.
No, that's not what the original selection was.
Oh, I thought it was.
I don't even know why you're in this meeting. I'm just going to decide anyway. So this is our beautiful Edwardian style faucet
That's
from
the faucet?
Kohler. Yeah, I showed it to you before.
You did?
Yep, definitely.
I don't remember it.
It's traditional. It's an Edwardian-like style. It's Kohler. Okay. It's beautiful, and it's in polished nickel.
It's a little like square.
It's not exactly square.
It's squarish.
You can go way more contemporary. It has like the little octagonal, has the little H for hot, C for cold.
A lot of
so
corners.
Cute. Anyhow, so it's we're doing polished nickel in the bathroom. It's an expensive finish. It's warmer than chrome, right? So this is the finish. Keep that in mind with the lights. So there's this light, right?
Right. It's good that people have made notes like
Yeah,
cabinet.
Rebecca did that.
Cabinet will hit.
I think it might be too elegant for us. We're not that kind of people.
So it's basically like
And
this
well,
with a stick attached at the bottom. Yeah.
And then this is the last one, which doesn't excite me, though I do think it works. This is in brass, but it comes in polished nickel. And this is what it looks like. So what do you think? Do you have a preference? I think we eliminate this tall, elegant one. I don't think we're going to do that.
Like a
it's between these two.
T8 bulb. Are we sure this even puts out light?
It is called a light.
Which one do you want?
I'm just...
No, seriously. Which one do you like?
I didn't even really need this meeting. I could just pick.
Let me rephrase that. Which one do you like?
I'm trying to make you feel like you're included.
Yeah, I'm not. So anyway, which one do you like?
Well, I think I like this.
This.
Yeah, I don't know. I think it's cute. It has the navy on the shade, which ties in with a little bit, like I'm thinking of doing wallpaper. I haven't decided on which one yet. And then maybe doing like a pretty Roman in the window that has like hints of navy. So it's cute. Is it too cute? I need to order these soon though, Chris, because things are not in stock right now. And without these lights, we're going to be plugging in a lamp, which I guess isn't the end of the world.
We'll hang a light bulb there.
What do you like better?
I kind of like the tube. But if it doesn't go with the scheme, then I'm good with whatever. It's just a light.
Leave it with me. I'm going to see maybe what other options I have that are like this, but maybe just a different look. And then backup is this really super cute Mitzi light. This one, super cute, right?
Super cute, sure. Just go with the super cute, so we can move this thing along.
Okay.
All right.
Done. Super cute wins.
Speed wins. Maybe we
You
could
had
do
it
lights.
on the dim
Maybe we
setting.
could do lights in the stairs.
Yeah, you got a budget for that?
Yeah, I don't know. Is that expensive? You can access them from down below.
This is a good design meeting. Thanks for coming in. Thanks for coming out.
All right, great. Thank you.
There's nobody else here to pick the brain of because it's lockdown.
I don't like this. I'd like a light that I can dim. That's just my opinion.
Okay.
All right.
We'll see what you get. It'll be a surprise.
Why am I even part of this? Seriously, why am I part of this?
I think we're done with
We're
you.
done?
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. What?
Woo! We did a lot of things, accomplished a lot. I feel strongly about the bathroom design. I'm really excited. We're picking some beautiful lighting. We finally made the decision to do with the one sink, to go with that. I think it's gonna be beautiful, and yet to be determined if we can reuse that bathroom counter. I really hope so, because that will help us with our budget. The budget is my next hurdle. So stay tuned as I figure that side out, and I'll see you soon.